You're tuned to Portland's Jazz Radio, KMHD Gresham, 89.1 FM. And on the web at kmhd.org, a partnership between Mount Hood Community College and OPB. It's Friday night, where the party don't stop.
Come on, let me show you where it's at. Come on, let me show you where it's at. Come on, let me show you where it's at. The name of the place is I Like It Like That. Come on.
Yeah, that's the name of the place, the name of the show, and the name of this guy is DAntoni. Well, let me show you where it's at, you know.
The name of the place, I like it like that. They got a little place across the track. The name of the place is I Like It Like That. Now you take Sally and I'll take Sue, and we're gonna rock away all our blues. Come on, let me show you where
We're going to rock away all our blues for the next couple of hours. You better believe that, because that's what we do between 8 and 10 o'clock every Friday night on a show called I Like It Like That. Yeah. Come on, let me show you where it's at.
Come on, let me show you where it's at. I want to show you.
I do.
Let me show you where it's at. The name of the place, I like it like that. Not a last.
Yeah, I'm telling you the truth. I wouldn't lie to you. I might, but I'm not now. Hey, let's I want to kick this off, right? He's in the rocket ship in heaven. He was the real Zeal Zod. He rode that rocket ship on the radio every night. Yeah. And he said the magic word, Vosa. I'm going to let him kick it off. High ride, and out of space in heaven in the rocket ship. Come in, baby.
All right, Big Mommy or Big Daddy or keen teens, ladies and gentlemen, Commander Hot Rod, moving and grooving, wheeling and dealing, hop, skipping, jumping here, there, each and everywhere, bringing you the best in music, oh yay, the best in songs that I shall jive and helpful information, dedicated to you, the greatest people in the world, my listeners, as we move and groove, wheel and deal, hop, skip, jump here, there, and everywhere. I gotta say, this is without a doubt the grand high priest of space, not the flower, not the root, but the seed, sometimes called the herb, sometimes called the burn of Osa. How do you believe it on about Nollywood? Don't forget to pick up on Cupid's Corner at 10:15. Turn him loose now one more time and let him go.
Pass the peas, I like what you used to say. Ooh, pass the peas, pass the peas, pass the peas, I like what you used to say. Come on, pass the peas, ooh, pass the peas, pass the peas, I like what you used to say. Ooh, pass the peas, what? Pass the peas, come on, pass the peas, pass